Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am cooking one of the favorite meals, chicken roast with vegetables and some gravy. So for this recipe I am going to need a whole chicken. This chicken was about 1 kilo 800 grams. So I'm going to wash my chicken, wash my kitchen and make sure it's nice and clean. Remove any feathers or anything like that. Just wash the chicken. And I'm going to cut that excess skin right there. Just make sure the chicken is nice and clean. Give another good rinse. Now I'm going to use paper towel to dry my chicken, and for the herbs, this is a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, onion powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of ginger powder. Then I'm going to add some oil. Add a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to add lemon juice, half a lemon. So I'm going to cut half a lemon and squeeze the juice. And squeeze the juice. Now I'm going to put 2 lemon halves inside the chicken. And also I've got some fresh rosemary. I'm putting it in there. Now I'm going to marinate the chicken using the spice paste that I made. So rub all of that on the chicken, rub everywhere, front and back, and make sure every part is rubbed in. Now in a baking tray, I'm going to put my chicken in there, and then just make sure the whole chicken is nice and marinated. Now this is looking good, and then I'm going to add my vegetables on the side of the chicken. So for the vegetables, I'm going to add some carrots and some potato wedges. Just add on the side carrots and potato wedges. I'm going to season the vegetables with salt and pepper. And now in the oven, I'm going to bake my chicken in the oven for about 90 minutes, 200 degrees. And this is how it looks now. And this is the gravy that is left over from baking the chicken. And there you have it, chicken roast with vegetables. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.